Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And before we start the video guys, if you haven't seen my last video, I'll put it in the iCard up here or on the link down below. It was also a prank video guys. We were like out in Tawala pranking a bunch of people with taking selfies with random strangers. So if you haven't seen that yet, please check it out. And also guys, for today guys, we're gonna be doing another prank video, but this time we're gonna be doing it in ICM. Now our prank is the sneezing prank guys. So I have a little spray bottle in here and I filled it up with water, and the whole idea is I am gonna be pretending to sneeze on them, and they don't know that it's just water. So yes guys, let's see the reaction, and yes, hopefully we get a bunch of good reactions today, and hopefully I don't get hit in the face. So peace.
NANI?! NANI?!
So that's it for our sneezing prank, guys. We did get a bunch of good reactions right there, and sadly I didn't get hit in the face. Anyways, yes. If you like to see more videos like this, guys, please comment down below, and what kind of prank I should do next, leave a comment down below also, guys. And if you like the video, leave it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.